Hello everyone! Another day, another problem. So I just assembled Ford, installed engine, installed gearbox, transfer case, all cardans, and went for a quick drive and noticed that there are some issues with the gearbox. So all the gears engages. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. But there is a problem with fifth gear. When I engaged fifth gear and give just a little bit acceleration, it quickly pops out. And there is nothing I can do. So it's time to get back to disassembling gearbox. At first I'll try to remove gearbox cover and look what kind of problems were left behind. Good times. But first, let's see how fifth gear pops out. So, as soon as you engage fifth gear, it immediately pops out, before you even have time to fully release the clutch. Let's try to take cover of a gearbox out. Bolts are unscrewed and all that remains is to pull it out. To be honest, I expected a better approach. Oil is filled according to the specifications, ATF, which is not very necessary. Everything looks good, just one little thing, the fifth gear doesn't lock. Fifth gear is located here. I'll try to turn it on. Here's the reverse gear. And here is the fifth. Something is wrong. The gearbox must be disassembled. Perfect. Let's check if fifth gear is still popping out even with gearbox cover removed. Okay, fifth gear is popping out just like before, but now we have a gearbox tunnel filled with ATF oil. Very nice, very nice. I was hoping that I wouldn't need to come to this, but gearbox will need to be disassembled. Well, at least half of it. I'm really hoping that I wouldn't need to remove whole gearbox from the car. Well, just so it could be easier. Okay, I need to reach this selector, but to reach it I will need to unscrew this huge bolt, remove this bearing and remove this gear. So that will be the hardest task. Let's start. Of course, I could assemble gearbox correctly while it was placed comfortably on the table, but that would be completely boring. It is much more interesting to disassemble gearbox in a hole, with a poor access, and it is not yet clear whether everything will work out. Perfect. Okay, Now what is left is to remove this bearing and this gear. I'm gonna need something big. Okay, hardest part is over. I have successfully removed output shaft bearing and also rear gear. So now it's all it's left to fix the problem why fifth gear is popping out. As I did my research, found out that this sleeve is installed incorrectly. It should be reversed. This shorter part should be near fifth gear. So what I have to do is simple. Remove it and reverse it. That's it. Easy. Ta-da. This part was installed upside down. This thicker one is for reverse and thinner one for fifth gear. Such a small mistake and so much problems. That's it. Fifth gear stays in place even with some engine load. Well, now it's time to assemble gearbox, attach transfer case, cardans, and go for a test drive and see what is wrong next. Good times. Fifth gear doesn't pop out anymore. It's a good sign. Although neither transfer case or cardans are connected at this time, but it's a good sign because before fifth gear wouldn't stay even with empty gearbox. So it's time to continue assembling Ford. Okay, everything been reassembled, and now it's time to repeat test drive. We'll see how many troubles I will find this time. Let's go! Good news! Ford is driving again. Now just engaged low range, so gearbox test would be a bit slower. So first gear was working, now are we in second. Third also holds strong. Fourth also no problems. And now the big test. 5. We are still driving. Okay, gearbox problems are over. Now it's time to complete assembly, make it road legal, and drive again. That's it for this time. See you. Bye.